Looking for spotless, streak-free windows? US Janitorial Services offers top-quality commercial window cleaning in Lexington to keep your business shining. Dirty windows can make the wrong impression. Our expert cleaning team ensures your windows look crystal clear and professional. We use eco-friendly products and advanced techniques. Your windows will sparkle without harming the environment or your workplace. Natural light brightens any space. Clean windows enhance productivity, boost curb appeal, and create a welcoming atmosphere. Whether it's an office, restaurant, or storefront, we've got you covered. No job is too big or small for our skilled professionals. Our team is trained, insured, and dedicated to excellence. You can trust us for reliable and efficient commercial window cleaning in Lexington. We remove dirt, hard water stains, and buildup. Say goodbye to smudges and hello to a spotless view. Need regular cleanings? We offer customized cleaning schedules to keep your business looking its best year-round. Customer satisfaction is our priority. We guarantee quality service with every visit. We don't just clean windows, we provide full janitorial services. From office cleaning to floor care, we do it all, serving Lexington and surrounding areas. Let us help you maintain a professional and polished business appearance. Call us today at 800-20-6069 for a free quote. We're happy to answer any questions you have. Visit us online at https://usjservices.com/ Lexington commercial window. Cleaning to learn more about our services and request an appointment. US Janitorial Services, clean spaces, brighter places. Let us make your windows shine.